I can't say enough good things about Dr. Weisfogel. I've been to the dentist for years and years, and everything from being up front, letting you know what the problem is, the comfort level has just been fantastic.
But as the years went by, my teeth really started to be a problem and an issue. And, he has always been relentless in finding the cause of the problem and taking care of it.
Everybody's very, very nice, calls you, reminds you, like it was my birthday, and they called me and just said happy birthday. So, they're very, very, on top of things.
As a child, going to the dentist was not a fun experience. It always just hurt. Even when they tried to give you the Novocaine, it still just hurt. But he made sure I didn't even feel the needle. I'm terrified of needles, but he made everything okay that I didn't feel it. So I am over my anxiety of dentists. I'm so happy about that too.
Unfortunately, I do not have any insurance, so the money that I spend here comes out of my own pocket. But the practice here is great because if I can't pay the full amount, and it usually comes to, at least a couple $100 each visit, will let me pay over a couple months' time, and that's very much appreciated.
Over the years, there have been times where I've asked for, I'll send you a couple of bucks every month, and they've been very accommodating in that respect as well, and I appreciate that.
I love Rebecca. I love talking with her, and I have never met one of the staff members who's been discourteous or put you off. They're very careful to put you at ease.
I've told my friends that when they come here, they will get the best care that they have ever gotten in a dentist's office. Whether it's at the front desk, whether it's from the dental assistants or the dentist.
In a year and a half, I've had a couple of root canals, crowns, posts, cavities, the whole 9 yards. I haven't been to the dentist in a while, so it was a good thing that I came.
All the work that he has done in the past, I've never had to go back and redo it, other than maybe a suggestion on his part that I might have had a cap or something that may give me or may not give me problems in the future, because it has been in there for a long term of time. I felt comfortable in his advice, and we'd go ahead and change out a cap or something that would give me more longevity in the future with that tooth.
My confidence in Avi's work has always been extremely high. Never had any issues of after he's finished having to come back because something wasn't right. So I have a lot of faith in the gentleman, yes.
Times that he would even come in on Saturday to do work on me. I mean, it's, you can't ask nothing more from a dentist. I think Dr. Weisfogel is a very good man, good person, and a very good dentist.
Teeth are important. I mean, they make first impression when you meet someone. So to me, teeth are very important, and actually, Dr. Weisfogel is out of network. So I do pay extra money for myself and for my children to come here, but to me it's worth it. And even though I'm a single mom and I have 2 jobs, it's worth that extra money to have that peace of mind and the satisfaction. And to me, teeth are very important.
Dr. Weisfogel actually helped me. I have a son that died of a brain tumor, and he was in a wheelchair, and he was in a trachea event, and he was great to him before sickness and during sickness. But I brought my son in here in a wheelchair. He helped me carry him up the stairs in this big wheelchair, and we wheeled him in the back, and he gave him a cleaning. And he was locked in his body, but he was great with him.
My whole family is, with Dr. Avi, right? Because the experience that I had, of course, with Dr. Avi, I was very comfortable with how he handles things. He's very precise. He's very accurate in terms of, or rather, very detail-oriented in terms of what he wants to do. And that experience, of course, because of that, I brought my whole family here.
I was now facing an implant, which I had never heard of before. Well, I've heard of it, but I've never experienced one, I should say. And it was a scary prospect, but it was nothing that I expected. It was much easier than I thought it would be. I tell everyone it's the only way to go. It really is. To have something that you have to remove and reapply each day doesn't work for me. You want to feel confident when you bite into your food that you're not going to lose whatever is in there that you're biting with. And that is worth its weight in gold. I just think, you have complete confidence in your bite and you're able to eat a meal confidently and not having to get up and leave in the middle of it, having to reattach or reglue or replace something that isn't permanent.
This is, to me, priceless. I would have paid twice as much. I wish I had found out Dr. Weisfogel before I went to the other place. I would have saved myself a lot of trouble.
If your teeth are bothering you, there's it's not like an ingrown toenail that you can live with and shop around for the the cheapest podiatrist. It's your teeth need to be fixed quick. You have headaches, you can't sleep. The investment that I've put into it has been 100% worth it. I couldn't think of anything better to spend my money on.
The guy's off the charts, man. It's great. The attitude, the atmosphere, everything here is just wonderful. I love coming here. I don't know how many people can say they love going to their dentist, but I love coming here.
It's a great practice, and if you are in search of a dentist, definitely come and check them out. I think you're going to be very pleased. They really do make you feel like you're a part of the family, and they're just wonderful. Everybody's wonderful. Rebecca's wonderful. The receptionists are wonderful. Everyone's great here, and they're so friendly.